Lag compensation increases bandwidth of the system. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false. The effect of negative feedback on distortion and bandwidth because A. Both are decreased. B. Both are increased. C. Distortion is reduced and bandwidth is increased. D. Distortion is increased and bandwidth is decreased. The correct answer is distortion is reduced and bandwidth is increased. Which of the following rotors are used in two-phase AC servo motor? A. 1 2 3. B. 1 2. C. 2 3. D. 1 3. The correct answer is 2 3. Given figure shows a unity feedback system. The ratio of time constants for open loop and closed loop response are A. 1 1. B. 2 1. C. 3 2. D. 2 3. The correct answer is 2 3. The phase angle curve of GJHJ can be drawn A. By adding the phase angle curves of individual factors. B. By subtracting the phase angle curves of individual factors. C. By multiplying the phase angle curves of individual factors. D. By dividing the phase angle curves of individual factors. The correct answer is by adding the phase angle curves of individual factors. The most commonly used devices for differencing and amplification in control systems are A. BJT amplifiers. B. FET amplifiers. C. Operational amplifiers. D. Either A or B. The correct answer is operational amplifiers. In board method of stability analysis, the error curve is not symmetric about corner frequency. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false. The transfer function can be for A. Lead compensator. B. Lag compensator. C. Both A and B. D. Either A or B. The correct answer is lag compensator. In a second-order system with a unit step input, the speed of response is high if system is A. Overdamped. B. Undamped system. C. Critically damped. D. Underdamped. The correct answer is underdamped. A thermometer requires 1 minute to indicate 98 of its final response to a step input. If it is a first-order system, the time constant is A. 1 minute. B. 0.5 minute. C. 0.25 minute. D. 0.1 minute. The correct answer is 0.25 minute. In a second-order system, N10 rad sec and 0.1, then D. A. 9.1 rad sec. B. 9.95 rad sec. C. 9 rad sec. D. 1 rad sec. The correct answer is 9.95 rad sec. A system has 12 poles and 2 zeros. Its high-frequency asymptote in its magnitude plot has a slope of A. 200 dB decade. B. 240 dB decade. C. 280 dB decade. D. 320 dB decade. The correct answer is 200 dB decade. The open-loop transfer function of a unity feedback system is the poles of closed-loop system are at A. 2 2. B. 2 1. C. 2 J 1. D. 2 2. The correct answer is 2 J 1. For the system of the given figure, the closed-loop poles are located at A. S0 and S2. B. S0 SL J3. C. S1 J3. D. S2 and S1 J3. The correct answer is S1 J3. If the polar plot as the frequency is varied from 0 to infinity is A. semicircle. B. a circle. C. a straight line. D. none of the above. The correct answer is a semicircle. The response is A. undamped. B. Underdamped. C. Critically damped. D. Oscillatory. The correct answer is underdamped. For a first-order system having transfer function, the unit step response is A1 ETT, B ETT, C ETT1, D 1 ETT. The correct answer is 1 ETT. Which of the following is not a necessary advantage of negative feedback system? A. Feedback improves speed of response. B. Feedback improves stability. C. Feedback reduces effect of variations in system parameters. D. Feedback reduces the effect of external disturbances. The correct answer is feedback improves stability. In position control system, the device used for providing rate feedback voltage is A. Potentiometer, B. Synchrotransmitter, C. Synchrotransformer, D. Tachogenerator. The correct answer is tachogenerator. For the system of the given figure, the closed loop poles are at A0 and 4, B2J6, C2J6, D3J8. The correct answer is 2J6. Derivative control action is effective. A. Only during steady state periods. B. Only during transient state periods. C. During both steady state and transient state periods. D. Either during steady state or during transient state periods. The correct answer is only during transient state periods. In the given figure, the input frequency F100 and 12 PRC, A0 dB, B3 dB, C3 dB, D20 dB. The correct answer is 20 dB. For the second order system, damping ratio is A 0.1, B 0.25, C 0.333, D 0.5. The correct answer is 0.5. Modeling error may occur due to A. Neglecting the nonlinear characteristics of plant, B. Inaccuracy of parameters, C. Change of plant characteristics with time, D. Any of the above. The correct answer is any of the above. In board diagrams, an octave is a frequency band from A1 to 10.1, B1 to 8.1, C1 to 4.1, D1 to 2.1. The correct answer is 1 to 2.1. The compensator in the given figure is A lag compensator, B lead compensator, C lag lead compensator, D none of the above. The correct answer is lag lead compensator. If GSHS, the closed loop poles are on A. Negative real axis, B J axis, C right half plane, D either A or B. The correct answer is J axis. For the block diagram of the given figure, the equation describing system dynamics is A1 RCS0 SISRHS, B1 RCSHSS0S, C1 RCS0 SRHSIS, D1 RCSISHSR0S. The correct answer is 1 RCS0 SISRHS. For the given figure, CSRS AK, B 0.5K, C 2K, D 0.25K. The correct answer is 0.5K. The polar plot of A does not cross real axis, B crosses real axis, C crosses real axis at 0.7 radsec, D crosses real axis at 1.4 radsec. The correct answer is does not cross real axis. In a second order undamped system, the poles are on A. Positive real axis, B. Imaginary axis, C. Negative real axis, D. Either A or C. The correct answer is imaginary axis. For the system of the given figure, the undamped natural frequency of closed-loop poles is A2 radsec, B1 radsec, C 0.5 radsec, D 0.25 radsec. The correct answer is 2 radsec. An open-loop system has a forward path transfer function 42.25 s is 6.5. The unit step response of the system starting from rest will have its maximum value at a time equal to A 0 sec, B 0.56 sec, C 5.6 sec, D infinity. The correct answer is infinity.